everyone, and welcome into another edition of Talking Fitchburg. It is Monday, October 15th. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Hope everyone is ready for Packer Monday. So, Packer Monday, Wisconsin sports, not so hot this weekend. Oh, we also have, I believe the third game for Brewers is tonight as well, so go Brew Crew. 1-1 on the games between the Dodgers and the Brewers, so if you're paying attention to that, they are down in LA today. So we'll see how they do. Lots of Wisconsin sports tonight. Badgers, see you next week. That's all I have to say. That's all I have to say about that. So this week, again, you got me. If you didn't hear from Friday, Jeremy and his family had their second child, so he is out for now. Sounds like he will be coming in sometimes and taping with us in the morning, so we might have some shows that are not live with Jeremy, so he can kind of still be here and keep up with everyone. Otherwise, we might lose track, and who knows? Who knows what would happen to Jeremy if he wasn't here? So we'll keep you up to date on that. We might see him as early as tomorrow. I know, crazy. Just had a kid 4 days ago. Take some time off, man. We're good. But we'll see what he does. All right, so today we're going to talk about, we got some good headlines for you. A lot of weekend events. Today is weekend event day, and of course, it's Monday, so it's your Verona Road construction update. And there are some big traffic alerts starting this week in both sections of the road that we normally talk about, Spoke and Sprocket Drive, and also Verona Road, of course. So, to start with, though, that's going to be in your digest and your guest. We have some weekend events with the Great Pumpkin giveaway and the fire department open house, of course. We're going to get started here. From last week, we had there was a Wisconsin Law Enforcement Canine Handlers Association conference, which we attended. Officer John Parker and Canine Drago were recognized with the Meritorious Apprehension of the Year award. So congratulations to them. They were nominated for their award based on their actions this summer. Following a high-speed pursuit of a stolen vehicle, the driver of the vehicle, a felon who was wanted in another state, fled on foot after crashing, and Canine Drago was able to apprehend the suspect despite the suspect punching and scratching Drago. So awesome again for them. Last year, if you don't remember, they also were awarded the Meritorious Narcotics Find of the Year and Rookie Handler of the Year. So they're doing a great job, those pair. Keep it going, guys. You're doing awesome. All right, next we're going to go out to last week's game that we filmed. There were several games in our area that we could have went to, but we went to the Madison East versus Verona game. So take a look here from those highlights.
His pass complete to Hawken Anderson for a 35-yard touchdown.
Well, hopefully they enjoyed that victory. It was a stomping by Verona, and they keep moving on. Playoffs are starting here anytime. And the other two games that we had in our area, we had Sun Prairie versus West. West getting handled pretty decently by Sun Prairie. It was 42 Sun Prairie, 6 Madison West. And a close game for Oregon versus Monroe. Oregon holding off and winning 34-31. So congratulations to the two teams that won this week. And Madison West, you're still going strong. Sun Prairie is a big team to beat. So not a big surprise there on the loss, but keep your heads high and keep her going coming this week. All right, next we're going to talk about, we also had from Friday, was the Hispanic Heritage Luncheon that we attended at the Monona Terrace, and we're going to take just a quick look at it and kind of go over the proclamations that were made by both City of Fitchburg and Dane County, and we'll have more information after that.
Whereas each year, the United States recognizes National Hispanic Heritage Month from September 15th to October 15th to celebrate the history, traditions, and the economic, cultural, and social contribution that Hispanic citizens have brought to our nation.
Cada año los Estados Unidos de América reconocen el mes de la herencia hispana desde el 15 de septiembre hasta el 15 de octubre para celebrar la historia, tradiciones y la contribución económica, social y cultural que la comunidad y ciudadanos hispanos han aportado y aportan a nuestra nación. Y
whereas the rich and distinctive culture of the Latinx community has always been an integral part of our country's identity, and
además se reconoce que la cultura tan valiosa y distintiva de la comunidad hispana siempre ha sido una parte integral de la identidad de nuestro país. Y
whereas this month represents the anniversary of independence of Chile, Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, México, and Nicaragua.
Además, que en este mes se celebra el aniversario de la independencia de Chile, Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, México y Nicaragua. Y
whereas Hispanic Heritage Month is one of enormous pride for over 57 million Latinx in the United States.
Además, el mes de la herencia hispana representa un enorme orgullo para más de 57 millones de hispanos latinos que viven en los Estados Unidos. Y
whereas Fitchburg and Madison are fortunate to count among their population a dynamic Latinx community that plays an important role in our city's economy and society. And
además, la ciudad de Fitchburg y de Madison son prósperas de contar con una población hispana dinámica que aporta un papel importante en la economía y la sociedad de nuestras ciudades. Y
whereas we encourage all residents of Madison and Fitchburg to recognize and applaud the many contributions made by our Latinx community to enhance the quality of life of our cities.
Además, deseamos que todos los residentes de la ciudad de Fitchburg y de Madison reconozcan y celebren las numerosas contribuciones realizadas por nuestra comunidad hispana para mejorar la calidad de vidas en nuestras ciudades. Y
now therefore be it resolved that the mayors and common councils recognize the month of September 15th through 2018 through October 15th, 2018 as Hispanic Heritage Month in the cities of Madison and Fitchburg.
Por lo último, se resuelve que el alcalde y el concilio de concejales felicitan a nuestra comunidad hispana en este mes tan significativo y le agradece por su contribución vibrante a la ciudad de Fitchburg y a la ciudad de Madison y los suburbios. Gracias.
Be it further resolved that the mayors and common councils congratulate our Hispanic Latino community on this significant month and thank them for their contributions to the vibrancies of the cities of Fitchburg and Madison and greater Dane County area.
Thank you.
All right, so that's just to look at the proclamations made by both City of Fitchburg and Madison in Dane County here. And we will have that full episode coming up hopefully later this month, that full Hispanic luncheon. It looked like a really good one. Preston went to that one, and it looked like a good time. I have attended that in the past as well. All right, so next we're going to talk about the Oregon School District referendum, of course, because that's coming up tonight. So tonight, October 15th, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. This is the third and last open house information meeting. It, of course, is on Rome Corners Intermediate School at 1111 South Perry Parkway in Oregon. Again, that's tonight. Attend the district to see what the referendums will be proposing, which question 1 deals with the new K-6 elementary school for $44.9 million. And question 2 dealing with the operating and maintenance expenses coming to 2.1 annually to keep those new schools operating and maintenanced. Again, this is the last of the 3 tonight. So if you missed the first 2, this is your last chance to get out there and get some information and join the open house. All right, well, that's going to do it for us for this headlines today. No, it's a busy one. We got the Verona Road construction update coming up in the digest. But before we go to break, here's a look at your meetings coming up this week.